Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to make your gobe taste like the one Davy was selling alongside the road. I've got here 3 cups of beans, so I use the cup from the rice cooker to measure it. I'm going to soak my beans in water for some time, but before then, I'll make sure I've rinsed it. So this is it after an hour of soaking in water. You can cook your beans straight away without soaking it, but it takes much longer to cook. Drain the water out. I'm going to add some hot boiling water to it to cook. So I didn't mention that I'll be using my electric pressure cooker to make the beans. Don't add any salt to your beans because it will take a long time for it to soften if you do so. I'm going to pressure cook it for an hour. You could cook it for between 45 minutes and an hour if you are using a pressure cooker, but if you are cooking it on the stove, it will take much longer. Our beans is now ready. See how soft it is. That's why I love to cook it in the pressure cooker because it becomes really soft, very soft. To get that roadside texture, I'm going to mash my beans with my tapoli. If you've not got tapoli, you can use any wooden spoon or any spoon at all. Now let's go ahead and prepare our gari. So I've got some sliced onions, a piece of pepper, my stock cube, and some anchovies. If you've not got anchovies, you can use either kobe, momone, or tuna. I'm going to heat up my palm oil. And then I'll add in my onion, pepper, and anchovies. I'll add everything apart from the stock cube. You're going to fry this until the onions become translucent. Onions are now ready, so I'll go ahead and add in my stock cube. Stay tuned and watch till the end because there's another secret ingredient to make your gari and beans taste like the one from Davy. I'm now going to add in my beans. We use zomi for this recipe, but since you wouldn't get proper zomi outside of Ghana, I prefer to fry some onions and anchovies to give flavor to my palm oil. I'm going to add in some salt to taste. Remember, we didn't add any salt to the beans when we were cooking it. My red is looking good already. Look at that. This is the secret ingredient that I was talking about. Add about a teaspoon of sugar to it to give your gobe that roadside taste. Trust me, it gives it that Davy taste, no, and man taste no pa man. Hope you've already given this video a thumbs up. If you haven't, please start pressing the like button. I'm going to simmer this for about 5 minutes so that all the flavors come together nicely. It's time to serve our gobe, and don't forget to fry your ripe plantain. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of gari. Give it a good mix, and then I'll let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is because I don't like the gari to be too raw in the beans, so letting it sit a little bit will allow it to soften up. Kindly subscribe to Abena'sKitchen and press the notification bell. Today, dear, my name is Davi Abla, or you can call me Ablavi for short. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.